Hello students, today we are going to do present perfect. As in the previous class, we had done simple present and present continuous. Now we come to present perfect. Present perfect form is have or has plus the past form of a verb. Now it is what it is the actions that have started in the past continue in the present and may continue into the future. दैट इज़ जो एक्शन हमने पास्ट में स्टार्ट किया और वो प्रेजेंट में भी कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द चिल्ड्रन हैव फेल्ट सिक एवर सिंस दे एट लंच. सो इन दिस व्हाट इट इज़ कि जब उन्होंने खाना खाया, लंच किया, तब से वो उनको दे आर फीलिंग सिक. तो दैट इज़ हैव फेल्ट सिक सिंस दे एट लंच. Since they ate lunch means they had eaten the lunch in the past and now they are feeling sick. So that is the action taken in the past and now it is followed in the present also. Then one more example is, my neighbor has lived next door to me for 2 years. That means this also, his action is in the past. Last 2 years से he is living over there. So has lived. Now look over children. Have and has. In have, this is used with the plural form. That is children. And neighbor. Neighbor is a singular form over here. So we are using has lived. Then comes your second use. Second use is separate actions that happened in the past and may happen again in the future. That is, which has been done in the past and now again it may happen in the future also. फिर से हो सकता है वो. For example, the man has travelled overseas several times. That means पहले भी वो बहुत बार ये आदमी travel कर चुका है. Overseas means in foreign countries by sea. And he is still doing it. Then the second is, we have eaten at that restaurant once or twice. Have eaten. Now we means many, so we use have. And man जो है उसके साथ हमने has लगाया. क्यों? क्योंकि वो singular form है. Has travelled. Remember that. So this is also, we have eaten at that restaurant once or twice means हमने पहले भी खाया, एक दो बार इस रेस्टोरेंट में खा चुके हैं. दैट मीन्स एट प्रेजेंट दे आर इन दैट रेस्टोरेंट. जो पास्ट में भी खा चुके हैं और अभी भी दे आर ईटिंग इट. नाउ वी कम टू द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द यूज. दैट इज वेयर वी हैव रिसेंटली completed actions that still influence things happening in the present. That is, जो पास्ट में थिंग्स हो चुकी हैं वो अभी भी एट प्रेजेंट हो रही हैं. लाइक द सन हैज़ राइजन एंड यू नीड टू वेक अप. दैट मीन्स द सन हैज़ राइजन मीन्स कि द सन राइज हो चुका है और आपको उठना है. सो हियर द सन हैज़ राइजन. नाउ लुक ओवर हियर, सन इज अ सिंगुलर फॉर्म. So we have used has over here. So now this sun, what it is? It takes action. The action is completed recently. अभी complete हुआ है जो पहले से चलता आ रहा है. Remember that. Like the second one, they have finished their meeting, so now they can go. They have finished. So this is also they के साथ we have used have. And they have finished their meeting. मतलब मीटिंग पहले चल रही थी जो अब फिनिश हुई है. So now they can go. So I hope you have understood. Now we go to students perfect present perfect continuous. In this also, what form we use? Have or has plus been, the verb and ing. How it has been used? Actions that started in the past continue into the present and may continue into the future. तो ये तीनों चीज़ें देखनी है कि पास्ट से चलता हुआ प्रेजेंट में भी हो रहा है और प्रेजेंट से वो कहाँ जाएगा, कंटिन्यूस होएगा फ्यूचर में भी. सो दैट इज द सेम यूज जो यूज 1 में है. वील सी दैट हाउ इट इज बीन डन. नाउ एग्जाम्पल where we were saying that the children had been eaten the food and they fell sick. So over here, the children have been feeling sick ever since they ate lunch. So over here have been आया and feeling ing लगा. और my neighbor has been living next door to me for 2 years. Has been living. Been is the, we have to use with it as I had told you the form have or has plus been. So has been living next door, ये तुम्हारा verb आ गया, to me for 2 years. So in this way students we have completed both the tenses. We'll do the exercise in our Zoom class and discuss about it. Thank you.